Welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, let's understand what the iterative model is and how it differs from the traditional waterfall approach. In the iterative model, the project is developed and improved through multiple cycles or iterations. Each iteration adds more features until the final system is complete. As shown here, each cycle includes planning, design, development, testing, and evaluation, forming a loop that repeats until all requirements are met. In the planning phase, project goals and scope for the first iteration are defined. Only a small part of the overall system is planned and implemented initially. Here, the team designs and develops the selected portion of the system. Each iteration focuses on building a working version that can be reviewed and tested. After development, the iteration is tested to identify bugs or improvements. Feedback from this phase is used to refine the product in the next cycle. Once one iteration is completed and reviewed, the next cycle begins. Each iteration adds new functionality until the complete system evolves. This model allows early detection of issues and continuous user feedback. It's flexible, reduces risk, and delivers working software early in the process. However, it may require more resources and proper planning to manage multiple iterations. Frequent changes can also increase project complexity. Thanks for watching QA Vault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more software testing and SDLC tutorials.